good?
Yeah, it was fine. I kind of did it with a cold, so I'm a bit nasally in it. That's all
But
right.
it's probably just a bit more like sexy almost.
If that's what you're into, I'm not here to shame anyone. No.
Don't be shameful, but don't be shamed for having a blocked nose either.
I couldn't be. I tried to get rid of it, but oh well. No, news is out. A few new announcements and bits and pieces. Mainly things arriving, which is the exciting one.
Isn't it? Not just announcing something that's going to come in 3 years. No, stuff is actually
here, or nearly here. So I was really hoping I'd have it today, but it's not here, which is the L wagons. They're in the post, so they're either hopefully going to turn up today, hopefully. Otherwise, they'll be here next week.
Yeah. Well, we're definitely hoping for tomorrow. That way, you can just. Everybody's going to come and see tomorrow.
Does the post come on Saturday?
No, they don't. But they can come today after 4.
It's exciting.
Can still come today. Sitting on the fence.
Hopefully. So yeah, hopefully they come. The Ixion A2s are on the way as well. So they've left Hong Kong.
Yes.
And they're on the water. A bit wet. Coming in strong. So they'll probably come in this month as well. That's going off the usual thing.
There's something else coming as well, no?
Ixision's N-scale stuff. We've got some new Ixision N-scale stuff coming as well. So they released something, but we're waiting for that to come.
Bachmann 009 on their way. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
There'll be another restock. Yes. And some other bits and pieces.
The cabinets are full. I actually got to get some photos. I've never seen so many locos in the train department.
We've had a pretty busy day over in the back. Good. Which is why I bought the rocketing. Someone grabbed a rocket before.
Sniffing around?
Yeah.
I reckon that's the Hornby Rocket?
Yeah, it is. It's one of their releases. I think it's fantastic.
I was so in. I unboxed it and played with it.
It's unreal.
On the test track on the live. Isn't it cool?
It's really cool. And it just reminded me, I was like, technically, this is an Australian prototype loco. Because they brought it out here at one point. They ran it around in Flagstaff Gardens.
What do you mean in the gardens?
So they put down some temporary track and they ran it. It was like in a straight line. No, 1-to-1.
Really?
Yes. There's photos of it. I'm pretty sure. Now, I might be wrong on the date, but I reckon it was for the bicentenary, so 1988. So they brought the replica one out here.
Back before you had hair on your face.
I didn't have any. I was but a mere thought.
Really? Are you that young?
I missed out by a couple of years on.
That's what happens when you're a boomer like me. Everybody becomes young.
Yeah, sure.
My primary school was celebrating its 100th year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good grief.
Yep. I hadn't been there 100 years.
No. Okay. Just checking.
Yeah.
But no, the rocket, they brought it out here. They brought out the replica one. And yeah, they put down a test track or a little display track in the gardens and ran it up and back. So I don't know how long it was out here for, but it came out here.
Why is it called the rocket? Because it blew up?
It was probably very fast.
Very fast.
Back in the day, back when it came out.
Where did the driver go? Did it have a driver?
Yeah, so you had your driver fireman on the footplate here. It wasn't a lot of room.
No. It didn't look very comfortable or ergonomic.
I would not want to be operating this thing. But,
to shovel coal from there to the firebox, no?
No, just chuck it in. But this was early railways. This is the dawn of a new age. This is the dawn of the Industrial Revolution.
Is it? This is when we say goodbye to horses.
Yeah, this is what I was going to say. Killed the horse. It killed the narrow boat.
Not in Thailand.
Not in Thailand. No,
they like narrow boats.
They do. But in England, canal boats and all that. Put an end to that.
That threw you off.
Yeah, a little bit. Didn't expect that one.
Hornby. So what scale is it?
It's 00.
00.
Yeah.
Cute little thing, isn't it?
It's fantastic. And it's DCC ready because the water tank here comes off and you can stick a chip in it.
Yes.
That's incredible.
Yeah, I'm having horrible flashbacks. Did they re-release this a couple of years ago? Did they do another run? Yeah. I'm having horrible flashbacks.
Yeah, because it was a lot more popular than I think they thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic model. But yeah, someone grabbed one this morning and I was like,
I'm sure Marlon is still having nightmares about this very loco.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. It's like that.
Yeah, it's like that. It is like that. Now that you've said that comes off and that's where the chip goes, yes.
Yeah. So then I also we got some SDS in. So these are the ELX wagons. So these are the
What does the SDS stand for?
Yep.
Okay.
That's right. don't know.
All right.
I actually have not a clue. But yeah, these are from the latest re-release of the
what?
of the ELX wagon. So these are a post 79 coded pack. You can open it up.
What do you mean post 79?
So they changed the railway codes in 1979.
So
to
you
be
know when
Australian
they changed the railway codes, but you don't know what SDS stands for.
Yep.
Okay.
That's right. Well, one's like a historic thing that you kind of need to know, and the other one's just like
it's a need to know basis.
Well, I guess.
That's weird.
That's good. That's another purpose you can use it for.
Peekaboo.
Yeah. Little gift for the kids. Yeah, so these are the wagons. So this is a mixed one. So you've got some with and without the logoing on it. But yeah, these were a versatile wagon. They ran all over the network, carrying all different bits and pieces.
Are they still in operation now?
I think the underframes are. So a lot of these...
I was going to say, I'd know that underframe anywhere.
You would. You're very familiar with underframes.
Yep.
A lot of older rolling stock they ended up repurposing, so they'll cut the sides off.
Use it for steel.
Yeah, and then use the flat wagon.
Yeah.
As container transport. Well, though these did have containers in them, it's a lot easier to get a forklift under them and things like that. So, yeah, I mean,
I worked in Whyalla very briefly.
Yeah.
I was doing a job at the steel mill.
Oh, right.
And they have a train track that comes in.
They do.
And I reckon these came in to get loaded with steel. Anyway.
A similar one, no doubt.
I'm not saying. I don't know.
That's okay. Well, it very well could have been. But
in my mind, it was similar.
Oh, I've dropped a hair in there.
Well, that's a little trinket.
Yeah, a little treat for whoever comes in tomorrow.
Why is there hair in my toy trays?
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, so these were a re-release, and we've still got a couple left. And yeah, they're a very nice wagon. Good.
Comes in short and curlies.
Little couple of beard hairs. I need those.
As long as they're not grey, isn't that mine?
No, they're not. No, not yet. Keep going this way, they might be.
Yeah, that's right.
But yes, they are a nice wagon that we've got in, and yeah, we got in stock.
How many of these could you pull round?
I could pull a few.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would be a nice loco to have?
Nice loco for these. Where to start? A BL, a G. If you've got a few older locos, the Bs would have pulled these. The S's, the N's would have pulled them. And pretty much anything broad gauge, Victorian and South Australian. So I mean, we've got some 900 classes back in stock.
Yes.
Which
I do know the 900s.
They're one of my favourites.
Is that the blue one?
Nope.
Damn, I was close.
That's not the blue one.
I was just guessing.
That's all right.
I just like to get a reaction.
Get it right.
No.
That's okay. Yeah, if you get a 900 class, they would have pulled these at some point, because these weren't just limited to broad gauge stock. They also ran. Well, they would have run into South Australia. They would have run into New South Wales as well, on different services.
There you go. Oh,
you got me today.
I've broken it.
Yeah.
Well, it's good.
My brain has just decided.
It's better to be laughing than crying. Okay?
I could. We'll see how we go tomorrow.
Please don't think that I am in any way, shape, or form trying to disrespect the scale model trains.
Oh, not at all.
Just because I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm glad that it brings you comic relief.
Absolutely.
And just know that I am trying my hardest.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And we love that.
Have fun.